What you got there, Brian?
Soup noodle.
On the beach.
Yeah, Thai 40 baht.
40 baht.
1 plate.
Yeah?
1 pan.
£1.
Yeah, it's a pork. But it's you look late because I put spicy on.
Okay.
You can eat, but not put spicy.
So today we've dropped Dana off at school and decided to reminisce and come down the beach when we didn't have Anna. And Pri's upset because Anna's not here. I thought it was a good excuse to come here without her. We've come down to Jomtien today to support the local small retailers. They've started to reopen, like the beach, the masseurs, etc. So we've just come down today to support these guys. If these businesses are not supported, they're not going to survive till October, I don't think. There's so many closures already. But look, on a positive side, this is the positive.
And look at that. Sorry, I eat some. You know, it's a full bowl for 1 quid.
Yeah.
You can have, you know, and the taste is very
So
delicious.
it's like $1.40.
Yeah.
You know, so it's.
The taste is very delicious.
Yeah.
See, look, it's a pork bowl.
This bowl she's got a litre of soup there.
Yeah.
She's got 1 litre of soup,
yeah.
which is about.
And then the pork. Look. The pork is that they make with the
So as long as you're not Jewish or Muslim, you're okay.
Yeah. No, they can have a chicken.
I like to have chicken.
Yeah, they have
So we're on soy 11. And the name of the man is
Bun.
Bun. Yeah. We've been using him for 12 years.
Yeah.
And we know he's been closed for 2 months. And he opened last week.
Yeah.
So this is the first opportunity we've had really to come here to support him.
Yeah.
And we'll probably come here we're coming
in the weekend because I need my daughter with us. Don't forget the price for the chair is a 40 baht per person all day.
Yeah. So at the moment, when people say, "Oh, don't go," it's too hard to get there, and guys, make the effort. Everybody, guys, girls, sirs, gentlemen, ladies, you need to make the effort and come here. This economy is dying for support. Yeah, and when you come here, you have a good time because now that it's started to reopen, it's a massive improvement to what we had here 2 months ago. Would you say? 2 months ago there was nothing open here really. It was like a ghost town.
Yeah.
This is not like a ghost town no more. This is coming back. This is coming back. I feel very, very confident that 1, it's going to survive, and 2, it'll come back better. Yeah. And the birds are on the beach. Even the birds are hunting for money. Yeah, this is the time, guys, to come here. So we're having a beer here today on the beach. You know? Pri's tucking into her food. You won't be eating a lot more today.
No, that's it.
You know,
my breakfast, my lunch.
Yeah, really?
Maybe my dinner as well.
What you do? Just have a whiskey on the balcony tonight?
Of course. Thank you, babe. Thank you.
Well, our balcony in the evening is very, very special.
Really lovely.
Pri's now pleased she bought a condo.
I always please to build a condo anyway.
No, before it was like, I don't want a condo, I only want land.
No. I bought the land because I feel the future, but now the one I agreed to buy the condo because if that was the first thing I said, I'm not the one a condo. No, thank you. because I think we come then and buy the land and we go back to UK to earn the money, and when we got enough money to the building, we come then and do the building and then we go back again. That's what I think, but I'm not recognize he to move on to Thailand for permanently. That's why I'm not agree for the condo. But
What?
now, yeah, I agree, because if you buy the land, you not have a time for the building, you know.
Oh, cup.
That's why we buy the condo and stay on the condo. We not need to pay for the land.
Oh, lovely. Cup.
That's why. ขอบคุณครับ
This is our drink today.
One beer, one
Yeah, I'm
energy
driving.
drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because he's
So what you do
driving.
is you put a little bit of a. That's it.
Wait,
Boy,
I make it.
don't drown it.
Now, I make it. Let me do it.
No, a little bit more soda.
Let
No,
me.
I don't want no
Wait.
more. I don't want no more.
Wait. Listen.
I don't want no more.
I
It's too
make,
strong.
I make it. You are the drink. Okay? I
Yeah.
make it, you the drink.
Yeah.
And then you taste it now.
How cup. This is a.
They, normally we call lipo soda, but we can mix with M150 or Red Bull. But they call the same.
This is perfect.
See? I'm telling you. I make it.
On that bowl there,
Of course.
she's used about
Of course.
20%. Anyway, so we're down here today, enjoying the view. No one down here, absolutely no one down here. This is the time, guys, get yourself to Thailand. You will have the time of your life here, and you'll be supporting the economy, supporting the people. You know, don't go to McDonald's, don't go to Starbucks, don't go to these large venues. The good thing is, when you come here, you can sit back on the beach, relax, chill out, no hassle, and this has got to be the time to come. My God, what a time to come to this kingdom. I've never seen Jomtien and Pattaya look so good for coming and visiting. Come here, spend your money. The economy is desperate for it. Desperate. The prices are, everything's so reasonable price. All the prices have come down, haven't they?
Yeah.
Like those soup noodles, they were dearer than that before. You could pay like 60 baht, yeah?
50, yeah.
Yeah, and now everything's has come down to, what is it now? 40 today.
Yeah, 40.
Yeah, so it's like a 20% discount. Hotel rooms the same. Hotel rooms, you're looking at a 25% discount. If you're buying property, you're looking at a 25% discount.
30, but if you do the property, you're looking for 30%
Discount.
discount.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, take care. Probably gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna say goodbye with a, and probably gonna say goodbye with a San Miguel.
See you later. Have a good fun. I'm not prefer eat a meat. I prefer salad and a soup and a noodle.
Yeah. And I prefer burgers.
No burger for now.
I prefer spaghetti bolognese. I do like the fish soup though.
Yeah.
Guys, we've got to go and pick up Anna shortly, so take care.
Yeah.
And Mum, Dad, love you. I haven't heard from you for ages, but there you go. Anna had a great birthday, by the way. She had a fantastic birthday. And Anna sends her love to everybody, and she had a fantastic birthday. And as always, Daddy took care too much.